Yes. Una-una napakahalaga niya ang NGCP because tinuwa sa franchise na cover ang ating kuryente, transmission all over the country. Nakadikit lahat dyan yung mga distributors, babayad tayo lahat dyan. At ang pangalawa, meron pa nakasakay dyan na nagpa-fast break yung communications. Now, the Constitution is very clear. Dapat, pagka the operation of a public utility, all the people there must be Filipino citizens. Must be. Requirement. Ngayon, kung nag-fast break sila, taglagay doon, kahit ano pa sabihin nila, kahit na sila pa nag-allow noon, violation of the Constitution yun. And that would be a ground for cancellation of the contract.
Franchise.
Franchise.